This is going to be recording, so they're going to be focusing on me though, not you guys. So I want everyone to back up just a little bit. Give me some space. Thank you very much. You guys can take a seat where you're at. So I'm going to play a song for you guys. Some of you guys are going to know it, some of you guys aren't going to know it, some of you, I just want you to focus on like the different characteristics of the song. It could be fast paced, slow paced, how does it make you feel, stuff like that. We're going to play it for like a minute and then we'll switch songs to a little bit different. And you guys can close your eyes, down, whatever you guys want to do. Okay? Yeah, basically we're just going to listen to like a minute of the song. Focus on like how it makes you feel, maybe do your breathing to this song, stuff like that. But try to use your volume very low.
I am not the only traveler who is not repaid his debt. I've been searching for a trail to follow again. Take me back to the night we met. I had all that lost in summer now. Take me back to the night we met. I don't know what I'm supposed to do, holding my goes to you. Oh, take me back to the night we met.
Okay, how many people knew that song beforehand? Heard it before? Right. How did it make you feel? Do you like it? What did it make you feel though? Does it make you feel calm? Yeah, it makes you feel really relaxed, right? How about somebody else? Everyone have that same opinion? Made you feel relaxed? How about you? What did you think? Yeah, kind of. But it also kind of like slows you down. Like the pace of the song, the beats of it are really slow and calming. So, I want you guys to listen to this song now. It'll just be a minute. Same thing. Focus on the different characteristics of it.
If we last through the winter, drive the car as far as we can go. We can be different people than our reputations we were born into. And there's just some things I don't like talking about. And this ain't the kind of place I like to be hanging around. So we can take it slowly through the night time, growing in life. You can be my always, one and always, and we can be just fine.
How did that song make you guys feel? Was it a little bit faster paced, right? Just a little bit, though, not too much. So does it make you feel just a little bit more active? It's a little bit more of like a, not necessarily like a pump up, but more of an active song. So both of these songs are actually used in yoga songs. It's one that if you go to a yoga studio, a lot of the times you'll hear it in the background playing. It's really good as a stress reliever. How many people listen to music as a stress reliever? I know I do, all the time. What type of music do you guys like to listen to? Taylor Swift, right? Kind of like a slower pace. Do you like the slower pace? Yeah, that's yours? Absolutely. So music is a great stress reliever, but also exercise is also a great stress reliever. It releases different hormones in your brain that make you feel happy and make you feel good and relieve those kind of stresses. So, which hormone?
Chemical is the body secretes when you're working out. Starts with an E. about it. Endorphins.
Yep. And those will make
That's
you feel
when
good.
that's when you push hard and you get to that runner's high that I've talked about. You get that runner's high. Your body starts to release endorphins, which allow you to continue on and start pushing hard again. Pleasure. It's the pleasure part.
Absolutely. So also yoga is really good. Like if you have an injury, I know like a couple people have complained about when they do yoga, their knees hurt, their hips hurt, their back hurts. It's actually really good. You can do chair yoga even when you're like 80 years old. You can sit in the chair and still work on stretching, work on your flexibility, your balance, your agility, stuff like that. So it's super beneficial. So to start with, I'll have everyone rise again. And to warm up, now we're going to be doing our 2-minute jog. So I want you guys to go ahead, do your 2-minute jog, and then we'll do our dynamic warm up to get our muscles warmed up. Then let's get into our dynamic warm-up. But instead of doing it at your own pace, let's wait for everyone at each end. We'll do that next time.
secret about it. Stupid things right here. Thank you, Dee. I'm glad you're doing this. What are we doing that for? Watch this.
And as soon as you are finished, grab a yoga mat, please. Do you have any yoga mats that you don't want them to have? Or do you have any you don't want? Or like you don't want them using?
Guys, hey, you want the yoga mat? You need one? Green one? There you are.
But come over here more. Let's come in here more. And let's not be so far back.
I know.